Hello everyone, welcome to all investors. So happy to meet all of you. Thank you for your presence and thank you for the opportunity that has been given to us to explain our company to all investors. And we will interest some of their wealth in our company. This is a Cycraft company, which is a bicycle manufacturing company that was established in 2021. The Cycraft company has a vision and mission. The vision is to be a trusted bicycle company in the world. And the mission, producing quality bicycle at low prices, producing bicycle according to customer needs, and produce bicycle with attractive design. Let me introduce my team in the company. Hi, I'm Maulana Bintang Fajar as a president overall leadership.
Hello, I'm Hairunisa Mutiara Putri as VP Business Analytics.
Hello, I'm Eka Alfiatu Nabila as VP Marketing.
Hello, I'm Udil Reza Turkiya as VP Accounting and Finance.
Hello, I'm Muhammad Rafi Praswat as VP Sales Management.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Sandy Pradana as a VP Manufacturing.
The next slide, there is an executive summary. In this slide, we'll explain the movement of the balance scorecard graphic in our company. In Q1, the total performance was 0. While Q2 to Q3, the total performance was 2.7. In Q3 to Q4, the total performance increased by 7.1. On this slide, express the cumulative result with cumulative financial performance of 11.6, cumulative market performance of 0.6, cumulative marketing effectiveness of 0.7, cumulative investment in future 6.3, cumulative build 0.7, cumulative asset management 0.4, cumulative manufactured product 0.6, cumulative financial risk 1000, with a cumulative total performance of 6.960 and was ranked at #1 as the company with the best balance scorecard.
Next slide enters the review of financial and market performance. This slide describes the financial performance chart in Q4 of 6 competitors, including our company, Cycraft. The graphs show that our company is ranked 1 with a total financial performance of 19.59, followed by Default, who is our main competitor with financial performance of 18.40, followed by other competitors. This slide describes market performance. Market Q3 performance towards Q4 decreased to 0.2, but still occupies the second position among competitors after Default.
Then there is an assessment of the current situation in the market. Part A, Content Customer Assessment. This slide explains regarding the first customer assessment. There is brand judgment. The Cycraft company focused on 3 segments, namely recreation, speed, and mountain. In the gaming segment, Cycraft brand judgment was in #1 at 75, while in the mountain brand judgment the height was 64. Furthermore, as we can see here, there is a customer assessment based on price judgment. So we can see that this price judgment is good and can be well received in the community because the number has reached 100.
Part B, Contents Competition. This slide shows the competitor profiles, where there are profiles from Cadena, Devinus, Devo, Alona, and Cycle. Okay, there's a balance scorecard from competitors, which show that Cycraft is in the first place. Yeah, there's a market demand and market share. It can be seen on the screen that Cycraft occupies the second position after Devo. This is because there are more Devo outlets than Cycraft.
Okay, the next slide describe the company's strength and weakness. Also, the strength for our company, the first is total performance, 7.1. Second is financial performance, 19.5. The third is marketing effectiveness, 0.7. And the last is manufacturing productivity, 0.6. The next slide, well, the table shows the weakness of our company. The first is investment in future with a balance score of 6.3 and WILT 0.7. On this slide, we will discuss the major problems or opportunity. Good problem and opportunity that we found after analysis. The problem is investment in future, wealth, and financial risk. And the opportunities, total performance, financial performance, market performance, marketing effectiveness, asset management, manufacturing productivity, and financial risk.
Next slide. 4. There is a company strategy. The first point, marketing strategy. Marketing strategy include market size, geographic market, competitive posture, and distinctive competition.
4P, sales channel strategy. Okay, in this slide, there's a sales channel strategy. Every time our company increases sales by providing the leads brand designs. Every quarter where SciCraft focus on 3 segments, is namely recreation, speed, and mountain.
Next, 4C, manufacturing strategy. Next, there is a manufacturing strategy where we have the following strategy. First, increase fixed capacity and operating capacity every next quarter. And the second, maximize the use of operating capacity until 100%, and maximizing the use of overtime, and last, improving the quality of production. Next, there is a manufacturing productivity with the following calculation. According to the formula, we got the result 0.63 until this quarter. SciCraft still occupies the first position in manufacturing productivity.
Is financial strategy. On this slide, there is a financial strategy where SciCraft has a good financial performance among its competitors. This is due to the maximum use of cash ending by buying a store and capacity.
Okay, for the next slide, namely financial request. And then point A, amount of money being sold. And then based on this data, we can conclude amount of money being sold is $2.5 million. And then point B, project ROI at end year 2. Project ROI at end of quarter 8. Project earning per share in quarter 8 is 16. Price earnings multiple is 10. Share value estimate for the quarter 8 is 160. Share price paid by VC is 100. Project ROI is 60%. And then point C, decide stock price and share of company being offered. Based on this data, we can conclude desired stock price is 100. Share offered is $25 million.
Okay, the next is pro forma cash flow, balance sheet, and income statement. And here is a cash flow table from quarter 1 to quarter 8. In quarter 1 to quarter 4 is the result of the cash balance that has been received by the company. While quarter 5 to quarter 8 is a cash flow projection that produces a cash balance in the last quarter. This is an explain of our cash flow, and you can see on this slide.
Okay, and then balance sheet. Then here is a table of balance sheet from Q1 to Q8 of our company. You can see in the table on this slide.
And there is a table of income statement from Q1 to Q8 of our company. You can see in the table on this slide and the next slide.
Okay, this is a tactical plan. The tactical plan from Q1 to Q8, where our company will invest in R&D in the next quarter to increase market demand. Next, every quarter, we plan to improve the brand, change priorities, and redefine the target market as needed. Okay, this is total asset is 6 million. Okay, thank you for your attention, and I would like to thank the audience who came and participate in the discussion about our company, namely is Cycra, and we hope that you will reconsider your plans to invest in our company, as well as establish a good relationship between investor and the Cycra company. And if you have any question about our company, you can ask them directly. Thank you.
My name is Darren Moriano. I'm from the Food Bicycle Company from France. I want to know how much do you have, or how much 3D printer do you have in your company? And then the second to know, how can you distribute it, your 3D printer for each of your brand store in the worldwide?
First, I want to say thank you to Darian as CEO of the Food company for the question. Maybe this is a simple answer for me to know about the 3D printer. So far, we have around like 5 3D printers and one placement in each area, and distribution of procedures according to the cost imposed on the area. Thank you.
Okay, thank you for opportunity give to me for asking one question for your company. And we, Katina, we will ask based on executive summary of your company. It's always occupy in a high position. But when I read in your cash flow in operating profit and income statement in earning per share, that is negative. Sadly, for the investor, we certainly read financial healthy costly. So there was different between your profit and your executive summary. So the question is, where did you quote the executive summary of your company? It's all occupy in high position, but there are different in your cash flow and in your income statement. And the last, how we can believe when we will invest in your company, we got a real profit. Thank you.
Okay. And then I answered a question from Tadina. And then this can happen because the cumulative result in our company is considered good and we can take advantage of ending cash well. In Q4, we focus on opening outlets, so expense were greater than revenues because we focus on opening new outlets in several places. This can be seen in the cash flow section, even though our earnings per share is minus, but the income has increased. Thank you.
Excuse me, I wanna ask a couple of questions, may I? Alright, my name is Ilham Ferdinand from Cycle. I wanna ask, how does Cycraft increase the sales of the product? Is it by changing the product or designing a new product? And how does Cycraft analyze if there was an interested advertisement for customer? Thank you.
Okay, thank you for question. I'm allowed to answer Ilham Ferdinand question from Cycle. The way Cycraft increase sale is by looking at the result of the adjustment and adjustment from the previous quarter. After that, we also compare Cycraft product with competitor product that have good brand adjustment. After that, we revise our product. The way we analyze advertisement that are not of interest to customer is by looking at adjustment and that adjusting the priority of benefit according to benefit of the Cycraft brand.